10 foods that unclog arteries naturally. Blood vessels of arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to all other body organs. Yet, in case the arteries are clogged, your heart may not receive enough blood. Thus, it can lead to a heart attack or other major cardiovascular diseases. Therefore, it's important to keep your blood vessels clean. Following a healthy diet and only moderate weight loss and reduction in blood pressure can prevent clogging of the arteries. Here are 10 foods that unclog arteries naturally. 1. Coffee. Good news for coffee lovers. Researchers have shown that coffee has many positive health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants, unclogs the arteries, and lowers the risk of heart disease by 20%. 2. Spinach. This dark, leafy green is another food that naturally unclogs the arteries. A single serving reduces the homocysteine levels in the body, a risk factor for heart diseases such as clogged arteries. 3. Avocado. Its daily consumption helps to reduce the bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol. An average serving of avocado contains lots of fiber, protein, and minerals, which naturally unclog the arteries. 4. Oranges and other citrus fruits. These citrus fruits contain pectin, which is extremely useful for preventing blockages in the arteries. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is packed with fiber that's beneficial for overall heart health. It has been proven to prevent clogged arteries and protect against vascular disease. 6. Apple. Apples are one of the greatest fruits when it comes to unclogging arteries. A single apple per day will lower the bad cholesterol by as much as 40% in just 4 weeks. 7. Watermelon. This fruit is loaded with the amino acid L-citrulline, which unclogs arteries. Additionally, watermelons are abundant in nitric oxide, which is extremely important for your heart. Moreover, it lowers blood pressure and cleans the blood vessels. 8. Meaty fish. Meaty fish such as salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines, contain healthy fats known as omega-3 fatty acids that can unclog arteries. Beyond, omega-3 fatty acids help to reduce inflammation in the blood vessels and prevent blood clots and high blood pressure. 9. Asparagus. Asparagus is one of the best foods for your arteries. It is also abundant in fiber, minerals, vitamins, and B1, B2, C, E, K. Additionally, it promotes cardiovascular health as it prevents blood clots and reduces blood pressure. 10. Nuts. Nuts are a powerhouse when it comes to heart health. Rich in unsaturated fats, vitamins, magnesium, and fiber, nuts are a solid choice when it comes to a healthy snack.